stop scrolling. Google just dropped something massive. You can now access Google powerful AI video generator V3 100% free with unlimited video creation. No credit card, no hidden fees, and yes, anyone can use it right now. Creators are already using this to generate viral videos. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do it too step by step. So grab your laptop because this is not just another tutorial. This is your shortcut to mastering AI content creation. First, sign in with your Google account or create one quickly, and then head over to Google and search Google Cloud Scale Boost. Open the first result. Log in, enter your birthday. Make sure you are over 18. Then click I accept. Now at the top left, click Explore tab. In the search bar, type Generative AI. You will see Generative AI with Vertex AI prompt design. Click that and hit Start Lab. Then right click on Open Google Cloud Console and then open it in incognito mode. You see a pop-up. Agree to the terms and select your country and then click on the green continue button. On the left sidebar, go to Vertex AI and then select Media Studio and open VEO. Now you have a pre-access to VEO 3. So thanks to Google. On the right side, you see options like VEO 3, VEO 3 Pass. Choose one of them. Set your resolution to 1080p and enter your prompt. And just like that, you are generating high quality videos completely free. So thanks to Google. You can also create AI images using Imagen 4 Ultra. Generate music and even do text to speech, all within this platform. So what are you waiting for? Tap into this free tool and start building next level AI content today. Let me know in the comments what you created, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content just like this.